Today we're talking about breath. When do you practice your breath? When things are calm, relaxed, during a sunset, a sunrise, in your sacred place? Do you only practice your breath when you're at peace? Well, what happens when chaos happens? Do you still breathe? Or do you find yourself holding your breath? What happens when stress happens? Do you hold your breath? Do you tighten up? Do you breathe when you're folding laundry? Because there's always laundry. Just as there's always dirty dishes. Do you breathe? Do you breathe when playing sport? Do you breathe when you're at work? That's the big question, right? Are you breathing all of the time? Or are there things happening within inside you that are confusing how to breathe, when to breathe, what to breathe, right? Now, of course, you're breathing in one way, shape, or form all the time, because if you weren't, you would die. But if we are panic breathing, if we're stress breathing, if we don't know how to breathe because our body is so disorganized, we can be creating the disease or the dis-ease within ourselves that we're trying to get away from. So the next time you fold a shirt, find your breath. 3 seconds in, 5 seconds out, in the nose, out the nose. Take your time. It's going to be a little irritating at first because you're going to feel like you're not getting anything done. You're going to feel those triggers built up inside, but that's why we have the tapping protocol that you can download at theneurodivergent.net. The next time you're washing dishes, cooking dinner, playing sport, find your breath. Okay? With the sport thing, it's going to take a little bit more work because if you have not been breathing your entire life playing sport, I definitely guarantee there's going to be some anger and some frustration in relation to why I can't do the things I'd love to do and I'm excited about doing without holding my breath. So, if breathing is hard for you, book a session today at theneurodivergent.net. We'll get you breathing, we'll get your body aligned, we'll get you supported by your true core, and you will be a much happier, healthier person. All right, so for the next 4 or 5 minutes, you're going to be following a breathing pattern. 4-second inhale, 5-second exhale, in the nose, out the nose, and you're going to be listening to a tone. The tone is 404 hertz. This is going to help you talk to your limbic system, calming your limbic system while you're going through chaos. So listen to this while you're folding laundry, doing the dishes, making dinner, or just trying to relax from a hectic day. So I hope this helps you. See you soon. TheNeurodivergent.net. Right on. That is 5 minutes that can possibly change your life. I hope you receive benefit from this. Make sure in the future you integrate the tapping. If you do not have the tapping protocol, you can download it at theneurodivergent.net on files for download page. It's absolutely free because tapping is free and should be for everybody. If you would like some more help, book a session today at theneurodivergent.net. I offer live sessions as well as Zoom sessions. Energy is the same, so I can work from anywhere. I hope you have a wonderful day, and we'll see you soon.